Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here from Sabine Digital. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can normally promote any affiliate offer from a Clickbank using one of the free traffic source that is available on the internet. And this traffic source literally need no work at all. You don't have to write a content, you don't have to do any kind of a landing page building, you don't have to collect an email address, you don't even need a website. You can use a direct affiliate link from a Clickbank, certain it using by one of my favorite service, which is also free. Then you can normally promote any affiliate offer you want. Okay, make sure you are going to be watching this video till the end in order to understand this method properly and learn how does it work. Before we normally proceed further on a video, I'd like to make a couple of requests. That is, make sure you are going to be subscribing and press the bell icon if you do not want to miss out any video that I'm going to be uploading on the future, and make sure you are going to be giving this video a thumbs up, and if you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to normally show you is to normally choose a perfect product to promote. You can choose a product on any category. There will be no limitation on a category, niche and a sub niche. In my case, I'm going to be choosing a e-business and e-marketing as an example. Then I'm going to be choosing a affiliate marketing mainly because I personally love affiliate marketing niche more than anyone. And this is the product. Okay, this is a 12 affiliate minute system that I will prefer promoting it. Okay, then you have to normally click on promote. As soon as you normally click on promote, click on generate a hop link and copy your affiliate URL. So I'm going to normally paste my affiliate URL over here. As soon as you normally got your product and affiliate URL, in order to find a product, it's really simple. You can choose any product which has got a gravity more than 100. For that, just go and click on sort by gravity. Then Clickbank will only show you the offer which has got a maximum number of a gravity. From there, choose a product which has got a gravity more than 100. Reason for normally doing this is really simple. Gravity means a certain percentage which will indicate how many affiliate have previously generated conversion and sale for the specific product. This way we can find out which product is doing well on a Clickbank and which product is not doing well. So traffic source we are going to be using will be a Twitter. A lot of people do not normally use a Twitter well, but Twitter can be also a really good traffic source which is going to be helping you to normally get a lot of amazing result, because Twitter has got a lot of traffic and it's really easy to promote anything on a Twitter. But before we normally proceed further to promoting it, now we have to normally make our link more appealing so people will prefer buying it. Rather than using this long spammy link, we have to make sure we are going to be using a short and tiny link. For that, I like to normally recommend this website called Linktree. You can get your free account on a Linktree. Just go on a Google and search for a Linktree. I already have got my account on a Linktree, so I'm going to log in. Then you have to normally create a link here, as you can see. Then click on add new link. As soon as you normally click on add new link, then give it a title. My product is related to making money with affiliate marketing, so I'm going to be typing something like earn $1,000 slash a week with affiliate marketing. Then as soon as I normally type this, then I'm going to be including my affiliate link over there. Now my link is ready. So if I normally open this particular URL over here, it will take them to this page where they can click this button and get redirected to the sales page of the product through my affiliate link. This way we are not going to be using that long spammy URL. We're going to be using sweet and tiny URL that will help us to get a more eyeball. So now it's really simple. This product is related about affiliate marketing. You can choose a product on any niche. You have to normally find some sort of a proof that you are going to be including. If you do not have got any proof related to that particular product, just search for example, I'm normally selling a product related to affiliate marketing, so I'm going to be searching for a Clickbank income proof. I'm going to go on an image and download any image that I will include on the post as a proof to normally get a lot of attention. I have personally downloaded some proof on my PC already that I'm going to use, or you can also use your real proof if you have got some sort of a result that you can show for a specific type of a product you are selling. For example, most of people prefer promoting weight loss products, so you can just search for a before and after result weight loss. If you normally search this, you can find a lot of appealing images that you can use as after and before images for making a post on a Twitter to get a lot of traffic. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing will be learn how to make $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing, even if you do not have any KNOWLG knowledge and EXPRAINC experience. In order to normally fast forward the process, I'm normally writing it roughly. I have got Grammarly installed to fix my error. Okay, so then I'm going to be writing a hashtag make money online, then hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag online marketing, hashtag on money. Now as soon as I normally include this, the another thing will be normally copy and pasting this URL. Then I'm going to be pasting this URL and I'll type click here to learn more. Then I need a tick mark emoji. Okay, tick emoji. So now as you can see, this post looks really great. Make sure you are going to be cutting the preview. We want people to normally click on the link. Then I'm going to be including those income sort that I have already downloaded. I have already downloaded the lot of income sort on my PC. You can use the help from a Google to normally get a income proof if you are also selling make money online product from a Clickbank, or you can also prefer you promoting any other niche product for which also getting a result regarding that particular product is really easy. Just make a one Google search, go on an image and you will be able to find those. So now as soon as I normally make post, I'm going to be clicking on tweet. So right now this tweet is currently live. If I normally go over here, it will normally take a couple of time for a Twitter to optimize this properly. If I go to a view inside here, as you can see, this tweet has already got a 1 impression, means it only have been a couple of seconds since I have normally posted this, but this has already got a few impression. If I normally go over here, 2 impression, as you can see here, impression literally increase every second. Then I'm going to be pressing a like button. Then I'm going to be copying this and I will normally comment this URL. I want to make sure I'm going to be removing this. Okay, delete, because I do not want to include that preview. Let me paste it again, remove that preview. Let me include emoji and click on reply. So now I'm also going to be including a few things here. So we cannot edit a post on Twitter like on other social media platform, but if I normally go to this particular tweet again and click on analytic, as you can see, 3 impression and 2 engagement. This way you are easily going to be getting in a lot of traffic to your link faster as possible. You will easily get 100 to 200 click every single day, and you will easily get 1 to 2 sale every single day. I prefer you to normally I recommend, and you also should prefer promoting a product which are less costly. Do not try to sell a thousands of dollar product, because people are not going to buy a thousands of dollar product from a random person posting on the internet, right? Make sure you are going to be promoting a product which price will be between $20 to $30. That way people are also not going to be spending too much money buying that product, and you are going to be earning between $10 to $20 per sale. Even if you just got a 1 sale every single day, it will be a $300 with a complete free traffic by just posting on a Twitter. And I personally recommend you to normally follow this process every single day, once in an hour. Okay, do it every single hour. That way you are going to be normally being consistent with a method. The first day you are going to be making a post will not bring you a sale or result. If you normally make it every single day, if you focus on doing this on a daily basis, you are definitely going to get success with this method. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. New to the channel, consider subscribing and press the bell icon. If you have got anything to ask, want to reach out to me personally, normally you can reach out to me through Instagram, which link also will be down below this video on description. Sabine signing out. I'm going to check you out on the next one.